What's up guys, it's Slowjoe here. And tomorrow afternoon we are heading out to New York's newest motocross track, Mount Morris MX Sand Track. I'm really excited. Track is brand new, just kind of sprouted up out of nowhere. It's about 35 minutes from my house, closest track to my house now, so I'm really excited. If we like it, we're going to be hitting up a lot. This track's real cool because it's open 7 days a week, weather permitting, $30 ride all day, which is kind of unheard of here in New York. So I'm excited. We're going to see. It's 3 tracks. I'm not sure really what they are. I know there's a supercross track and I think a national track and then maybe a vet track. But we're going to get GoPro footage of all of them and check them out. We're bringing the 125 tomorrow. We're leaving the brand new gas at home. We're going to keep that ready for this weekend, but I'm excited. It's going to be real cool.
Alright, so we're dropping down into the main MX track here. I'm going to do a lap for you guys. It's going to be real slow. I'm probably going to roll everything. Nice little set of rollers. Like to be rolled, so I'm just going to go around it. Nor does this one here. That line. Rookie first ride mistake. Didn't turn on my gas. Ugh. Head over now to the turn track. The turn track's a lot of fun. I've been ripping some laps on it. It's pretty small, but it's a good time. Oh no! all done here at Mount Morris Sand Track MX. Wrapped it up, loaded the bike, you can see up top, and it was a good little night of riding. Didn't do a whole lot of the national track. I got that on footage for you guys. The jumps were kind of peak to peak. On my first ride of the season on the 125, I didn't really feel comfortable hitting any of them, so I didn't. Just kind of rolled them. A lot of them didn't like to be rolled either. You kind of just had to go around them rather than roll them. So did that. Did a lap around the Supercross track too, and that was kind of the same thing. We wasn't doing any of the jumps. Couldn't really even roll them either, because they were pretty peak to peak. But real cool layouts. Did enjoy the track. You know, if I come maybe in August or even sooner than that, probably I'll have a little more time on the bike and feel more comfortable. Probably bring my 250 too. Would never come with a 125 again, unless they kind of chill out some of the jumps and stuff. So after that, I just hit the turn track. I probably did 15-20 laps going left, and then 15-20 laps going right. And the turn track was really cool. It wasn't really a true conventional turn track. It was just like an oval kind of thing with a couple of options you could take here and there. But what was cool was really good practice for my first ride in. If you're local to the area or ever up in upstate New York, check it out, Mount Morris Sand Track MX. You can find him on Facebook. Owner's a really, really cool guy, awesome dude. And I enjoyed my time out. Thank you. Peace out.